Yes, you know what that is?
What's that?
That's a snail. You see snail carry the home on the back?
I got walking the stairs. I got massy stairs.
You gonna mash your snail? Why? Look, he moving his little antenna thing. Feelers or antennas.
See, the tail 140. Mommy, get the tail 140. The tail foot. Get the tail 140. Tail 140. The tail 140. Oh. I need to.
Look at this, y'all. Look what my son found outside. Look at how big this snail is, Ollie. Does anyone know what's the name of this snail? Or what type of snail it is? Look at it. It's really big. And we had lots of rain today, so I guess that's why it's here. Let me know below if you know what type of snail it is. He's cute though. But I just want to know if it's actually dangerous, so if it's safe to keep him around.
Hi guys, I hope you'll enjoy this video. Like, comment and share. Have a great day.
And that's my son. See you all in the next video. Bye.